So this is the right time for you to actually apply for internship because summer vacations are approaching, and if you're not working and doing anything right now, then you're actually missing out a lot. From my experiences of working in NITI, Minister of Finance, Indian Army Headquarters, Member of Parliaments, I have the following hack for you to actually land to an internship. The most important thing that you have to do, if the internship applications are not formally out, and even if they're out, to stand out from the other candidates, these are the following things that you must do. The first and most important thing is cold emailing. But whom to do the cold email? First question. Now, whichever institution you are applying, go to the institution website, go to the who and who works there, the team members out there. They always have their LinkedIn profiles attached over there along with their emails. So create your own database first, along with from all the companies where you want to work. You want to work in a corporate, you want to work in a ministry. Create your own database and then start writing emails to them. Now, when you're writing email to them, what you have to write? So according to the person's profile, according to the work that person is doing, you have to do some research on the same. And what you have to do is you have to write a motivation letter based on that. Now, it is not literally convenient for anyone to actually open your email and go through 3 to 4 kind of document that you have attached. So the email body that you're writing would be your motivation letter. So you write a very specific motivation letter regarding the work that person is doing and how would you be contributing to that person's work. And secondly, that you have to do is attach a very good CV. If you have some questions regarding CV, how to make a good CV, you can reach out to me and I'll definitely help out you on that. Apart from that, attach a few reports of the project that you have worked on. If you have worked on some publications and if you are applying for a research position, attach your papers along with there. And if you have worked on some data sciences and some projects of Python or something like that, attach some of the reports of that project as well. So when you're attaching your CV along with the work that you have already previously done, it actually adds a lot to your portfolio along with a good motivation to actually land to the right internship. For more, please reach out to me on or just comment down.